Mom, if you're seeing this, if I die, I love you. Iguazu vlog.
Iguazu. Oh shit. In the forest.
What do you guys say to the vlog?
What's up, vlog?
Hey, what you guys say to the vlog?
Hey, vlog.
Look what I'm doing right now.
6 hours.
Random
6 hour hike.
6 hour hike. My Iguazu.
We in our home right now.
Hike vlog. Who's our? What do you have to say to the vlog?
Hey.
Okay,
We're in the same team. We're in the same
We're in
team.
the same team finally. What do you have to say to the vlog?
Too early for this.
It is too early for this.
No, we're going home.
Look how you're hiking. Look how she looks hiking.
You gotta send us to the. Yeah, why are we surprised?
What do you guys have to say to the vlog?
What's up, vlog? I'm lost. Hi.
Yes, I'm lost.
Did you hear us talking about this?
Huh? No.
Talking about this?
I didn't hear you guys
Vlog.
say sup. You not gonna say what's up to the vlog?
I'm sorry, I don't know it's part of it. Alright. Yo, vlog, bro, how's it going? I miss y'all.
I say hi to the vlog, everybody.
Hi, vlog. Let me see what it looks like.
Hiking
We finna be in
vlog.
the woods. We're taking it up the mountain. The whole gang out here.
The vlog.
What's good, bro?
It's good.
What's up? I'm with my Boston Celtics fans. Anyways, this is the view everybody's getting. J-Mo, what you gotta say to the vlog, J-Mo? What? What you gotta say to the vlog?
I just got high. Oh.
Look where we at.
Yeah, look where we at. I hope we find cliff jumping at the waterfall.
I'm not cliff jumping. Can I say what's up to the vlog?
What's up, vlog?
I just got her.
I'm not cliff jumping.
You did. I was
cliff
like,
jumping? You cliff jumping? Keep it a buck. No.
am I clip jumping? Yes.
No.
So,
She's not black. Yo, what you gotta say to the vlog?
The what?
The vlog.
The vlog? Okay, so I'm so happy I'm being here with Wisdom because he's one of my best friends here.
Miguel, please.
Over there.
Yeah.
How did you think of the pictures? Oh, wait.
Huh? Get a close up on Jordan.
No, like, I swear.
What do you guys have to say to the vlog?
Miguel.
we're gonna finish talking about this tonight.
Miguel. I'm excited for this hike. Will you take our photo? Okay, love you, bye.
What do you have to say to the vlog?
You're getting our photo.
I want to go back to sleep.
Miguel.
So, I ain't get you yet, Day. What you gotta say to the vlog?
I don't talk.
Joseph, what you gotta say to the vlog?
Good morning.
Drew, what you gotta say to the vlog?
Wisdom's just such a great.
What do you have to say? It's no filter. To the vlog. To the vlog.
We're about to have a good day. Are you on my team? I think you are.
I think I'm on your team. What are you? Jack?
Miguel?
Yes, Miguel. Yes,
Yes, we're gonna have a good day. Hopefully tan. Well, maybe.
Well, I've been tan since I came out the womb. So,
But yeah, have fun.
what do you have to say to the vlog?
That we're about to do an announcement. Why don't you go and watch that?
So if it goes viral, that's your mark?
Yep.
I should listen. So we're currently on our way to our first activity.
Yay.
Drew's not in my group because I'm a Jaguar.
I'm better. I'm a paper.
No, come on, Jaguar. Y'all know Jaguar's better. Anyways, so on our way to our first activity, we're planting. That's the worst one, but get it out the way so you can do the fun shit later. What are you guys doing?
We're going on the boat.
The boat. Trash.
Now we are having issues about this loss of nature, loss of biodiversity. That's another user defense because of the how you want to wash it.
I would put that whole thing in there?
Yeah, like that. And then cover it with more earth.
Here's a cutie. Okay, I'm curious. What's the name of this?
You just
Plant a tree.
no. You guys.
Yeah, what you doing, bro?
No, you guys can just. Y'all name it.
Whoa, it's all up in my face.
And she
Do I look
teach me
crazy?
how to knit as well.
Yes.
Wait, I'm gonna fall in.
Yeah.
Let me see your
Let me
hands.
see it. Oh.
Show your hands. Wisdom, show your hands.
Dab me up. Dab me up. Yeah, alright. Stop playing with me. We arrived at the house. We made it to the house. I don't know what they're doing over here. Get the house. Arrived at the house. Ladies and gentlemen, cuz. We have arrived to the house. Yes. Get out my yard. We have arrived at the house. We have arrived at the house.
Yo, any thoughts on the house, Joseph, for the vlog? House is tough.
House is tough. Stop over. We have arrived at the house. I don't know where Ken is going, but.
Oh na na, oh na na, oh na na, oh na na, oh na na. So quiet. Right.
Yes. 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 I know. Where is my super suit?
I don't know. I'm struggling.
Where is my super suit?
I don't want that one done. My precious. What the fuck?
Where's my super suit? Where?
My super suit.
Let them know. Okay, guys. So we just finished eating. We're on our way to the hike, and we already found something interesting.
Look, I'll show you a picture. I'm not mistaken, that's from Muslim. Cheers. They're really cool kind of birds.
First was done that way. If you die,
Y'all heard that, right, vlog? Thank you. She said if I die, it doesn't matter. Vic!
have you never been outside before, my friend?
No, I'm from the city.
Okay, you're coming to my house. You gotta come to Oregon. You gotta see like.
Get my vlog. It's somebody definitely unnoticeable. Bro, I don't trust this shit, bro.
Then why are you coming up?
Because I'm following the white people.
Smell the citrus. So that's one. Wait, watch out because there's a hole right there. Yeah, don't hold it. Wow, it smells so good. So,
Bro, what?
how do you call it? Yeah. Yeah, because you have venomous, that will get a reaction and poisonous.
Hey, so are we in Iguazu about a lucha?
There is a slight difference. Yeah.
It's wisdom.
Meaning, if you get pinched.
Right there, Victoria.
Yes, Vic, eat them up.
Why you have that screen that you can have anything? That's what after hit your screen goes.
Yes, you know one on your head. You're like,
Oh wait, you can't see the people.
No, I'm doing it.
Okay, you got it.
Fire, Nolan, you can fire.
Okay.
Fire. Run it back.
Yeah, just drop her phone.
Anyways, guys, say hi to the vlog. I don't know if we're safe.
We're definitely safe.
Hey, we're catching up. Oh yeah, blow it. Oh, yeah. shit. Oh shit. Slow, wine, slow, and wine, yes, slow, and wine, now slow, wine, slow, wine, let me see, and let me see, yes, let me see, yes, and let me, let's go, yes, go, how you wine, how you wine, how you wine, just one, oh. We're in Iguazu, there's a lot of monkeys, Nolan, there's a lot of monkeys in Iguazu right now. Who renewed their vows first?
Well, basically.
You ready for this? Were you married?
This is the wrong hand, bro.
Say what up to the vlog. Part 2.
Dispersan las
Say what up to the vlog.
Voy mirando.
Say what up to the vlog. Say what up to the
mirando
vlog.
la copa de los árboles porque acá estamos más en lo profundo de la selva.
All she found was a bird.
Oh girls! Ah! Yo, shout out Piran. Remember, Leo, everything. Oh my God! I'm not gonna fall over. I'm my.
Are you gonna be recording this?
Damn, man, you people got me in some type of other place. So. Yeah, but. Oh no. I don't know where these white people have taken me. One of the white people. Second one. So I didn't get a clear like a clear voice memo of this part for me because you know I was I was doing a lot. I apologize on my part. But look, what you're looking at right now is the devil's throat. Episode that I this shit is called the devil's throat. Shit was killing me. But yeah, Iguazu Falls, man. Y'all gotta check it out. The king. I'm gone. The circle of life.
Oh my God. I guess we're about to find out. No. No, because no.
Big dog. No. Big dog. Shout out Big Dog. Shout out Big Dog. Yo, Nick. What up? Who cheated first? Who liked who first? We're back in Africa. South Africa.